Hi, I'm Danny Oakley with the Alamance Makers Guild, and I brought a few of the things that both myself and family members have put together. One of the things that I've been working on is an R2 unit from Star Wars. I'm a Star Wars fan, so this is kind of the work in progress and showing the different pieces and the different materials that I'd use to put it together. So this was an aluminum kit that a gentleman down in Texas makes. There's a fiberglass dome, resin parts, and what I'm working on here is a template to route out the legs. So the legs will be made out of wood or Baltic birch. I also have this kit that was from Kickstarter called Roy the Robot. It's also made out of Baltic birch, and the kit was for laser cutting these pieces and sending them out as a kit together. So what I've done is there's two standard size servos in the bottom for wrist articulation, and then there's one servo per finger to push the joint, and then another in the thumb to push the thumb in. So it's acting up today. Otherwise, we'd have it playing paper, rock, scissors or something like that. We have an Arduino, have a Raspberry Pi that I'm putting together for a friend. And what this is doing is it'll be running off of a battery pack. I've already run the battery out today. It runs for about 4 hours. And what it'll do is flip a switch. The computer will come up, and then it'll immediately go into a looped movie and play the movie over and over again until you turn the toggle switch off. So what he's looking to do is very similar to Stephen Chapman with steampunk. He'll have a steampunk leather arm brace where he can flip the toggle switch, and this video will come on as part of his costume. Some of the other things I put together are trying to as cheap as possible put together a scoreboard. So I've used shift registers for 7 segment and created a scoreboard off of the LEDs, running 3 LEDs per lead. And what it'll do is putting on an Arduino board and using this Adafruit receiver will allow the key fob to run the scoreboard up and down so someone can play without having to stop and run over to the scoreboard on the side and change the score. One of these handmade dolls are from my wife's aunt. She made these for our kids, and she made them out of scrap pieces. Just thought she had put them together so well that I wanted to bring them out and show them. But that's pretty much the range of things from my family and things that we put together.